Alright, so welcome to a brand new video. So in this video I want to show you guys a simple strategy. So this is a trade I took. As you can see, it's a live trade I took, and you see price is going. This is not a replay mode or anything. This is a live session. So the indicator I use for this strategy is an indicator called FVG by Nephew Sam. So if you want to look for that indicator, just come to this indicator section here and search for FVG. So you add this FVG by Nephew Sam. Once you click on it, it will be added to your chart. So this is the 1 minute time frame for this strategy. I just want to hit a 1-to-1 take profit. So no hard feelings, just a 1-to-1, because it's easy, way easier for price to go to 1-to-1 than for it to go to 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 or 1-to-1.5 or whatever. So our target is 1-to-1, just this highs above here, just this highs. So let's wait and see what price does. If we end up winning, fine. If we end up losing, it's equally fine. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is that same trade I just caught out. As you can see, it's going in profit. I said 1-to-1 and it hits 1-to-1, so I'm done with this trade. I already closed down my position size. I already closed down my trade on MT5 and I'm done with this. So I can still leave it to run to 1-to-2, 1-to-3, but I just want to close out my trade and just work out. I just don't want to stress over monitoring the trade or anything, because it's already 5 p.m. already. So I'm done, guys. I'm done for the day. So I want to show you guys the strategy I used for this trade. So it's a very simple strategy called the break and retest. If you notice, there is this Asian range high. I marked this zone out. This is the Asian range high, and this is the lows, the Asian range low, and the Asian range high. So price broke below, did this thing. I took a trade here for a 1-to-1.6, but I'm not gonna be breaking this one down. This is gonna be next time. So let me just show you guys this one. So this is the first time price broke above the Asian session range, like to the upside, and this on the 5-minute time frame. This is a 5-minute scalping strategy. So price broke out and gave us this FVG. So this is fair value gap zone. I took my trade here for this fair value gap zone, and price literally came back, tagged it to the T. You guys watched me like call this trade out live. Like, this wasn't something like a replay mode or whatever. This is like me calling this trade out live, and price literally tagged me in and went straight in profit for a 1-to-1.8. If I should leave this trade, if I should leave it, it could probably possibly go more, like go way up than 1-to-1.8 at this point. So the indicator you need is just this indicator called FVG by Nephew Sam. Let me see if I can call that out. So FVG by Nephew Sam. So you just click on it and it's going to be added to your chart. You literally don't need any settings apart from one setting I like to use, which is wait for candle close to identify FVG. So I just click on this like this, like tick on this check mark to wait for candlestick to close before FVG is identified. So that's literally the only settings I use for this strategy, and that's just gonna be it. So if you guys want to see a full version, this is just a quick breakdown of how the strategy works. If you want to see a full version of the strategy, then drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I would use those metrics to know, okay, this video did well, and then I should make more content like this. Alright, that's all for this video. Please make sure to subscribe. If you want to join me and trade live every single day, I give out signals every single day. I called out this same trade, this trade here. I called this trade out on my Telegram group. Let me quickly load that up real quick. So as you can see, I called the trade out and the trade ended up being a winning trade. So you can see the trade went for 1.66 hour. So it's our first win for the day. So we can see 1.66 hours. So, and if you want to learn exactly how I trade, like my strategy in-depth breakdown, then join the VIP mentorship, and just DM me on Instagram if you're interested in the signals or the VIP mentorship, and you will get a reply from me.